Hello and welcome back to another episode on AwesomeTube 956. This is going to be a simple and easy video. This is a freshwater tackle haul, Utah edition. The reason being Utah edition is because that is currently where I am staying right now. And so here it is. So we got some gulp minnows, some pink worms, some tiny minnows from gulp, and then some jig heads, and not to forget the spinners, some weights, split shot weights with some salmon eggs. And then we got some dough and some random odd things in here. And a lot of you are thinking like, why does it look so different? How come he has it in this container? Well, just to let you know, I don't have my tackle box with me, and this will be my tackle box now. Anything can be a tackle box, really. Whether it be an actual tackle box that's made for tackle, or a jar. In this case, I'm using a jar, and as you can see, it fits a lot of random tackle that you can throw in there, even some bug spray. And yeah. Even a bag can be a tackle box, like a hiking bag or something. But rest assured, we are planning on doing some fishing videos and see if we can pull off try to get some fish with this tackle. So thank you for joining me on AwesomeTube 956. We will catch you later.